This electronic drum set is perfectly suited for young beginners, featuring a compact and easy-to-assemble frame that fits well in smaller spaces. It arrives as a comprehensive package, thoughtfully including a junior-sized drum throne, a pair of sticks, and headphones, so a new player can begin immediately. The included sound module is surprisingly versatile, offering 108 distinct percussion voices and 10 preset kits, plus 2 customizable user kits for creating personalized sounds. Aspiring musicians can enhance their practice sessions by playing along to their favorite tracks via the auxiliary input, and they can track their progress using the built-in recording and playback functions. For quiet practice, the stereo headphone output is an essential feature, while a mono-line output provides the option to connect to an amplifier for louder sessions or performances. The kit's responsive playing surfaces consist of a 7-inch snare pad, a 7-inch tom pad, and an 8-inch cymbal pad, all triggered alongside a standalone bass kick pedal for a realistic feel.